feel sad, and when I feel blue, I look right inside. What can I do? When someone is mean and says hurtful things, I wanna hurt back. But guess what that brings? It only brings tears and more hurting right now. There's better ways around it, I'll find it somehow. When someone is mean and says hurtful things, I'll send them back love and see what it brings. Why it brings me back love and joy and some fun. It brings me new friends that I wouldn't have won. There's a power in love that melts hearts of ice, like the sun in the spring that feels cozy and nice. So send out that love to all that you know. Try out the magic and watch energy grow.